A mother's time is never done, even though her day has come. Spreading love for all these years, now it's time we shed a tear. A tear of joy as love abounds, she now strolls on angels' ground. God has known her heart's intent, she'll spread the love where others went. Heaven's gate is pearl and white, streets of gold and angel light. Serene and calm and zephyrs blow, eternal glory she will know. God has whisked her from our earth, now angels see how mothers were. Moms are angels, of God's disguise, pillars of strength, so sure and wise. Revealed to the angels who awe and aspire, reveled and honored in a place much higher. With these words I am sure you agree, mothers will be angels in heaven indeed.